How to hide Instagram chat without deleting them. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your Insta. Now for this method to work, you will first need to enable your professional mode on. So for that, head over to your profile on the bottom right, tap on the three lines on the top, and after you're there, scroll down. And after you scroll down for a bit, you'll get an option that will say your account type. So head over to your account type and change it to professional mode. After you do that, you can head back here and now head back to your initial page and then your DMs. Now what you'll need to do right here is you'll see two different specifications, two tabs here. One is the primary, the other is the general. Now if you want to just hide a chat, you can easily just send it to the general. As you can see, the chat is no longer here. Now if you head over to the general, you notice the chat right there. So that is how you can hide a chat without having to delete them. Let me show you again. If you swipe left on a chat and tap on the three dots, or simply just tap on this folder option, it will just move to general. And it's the same process for it to move it back to primary as well. So that is basically how you can hide Instagram chats without having to delete them. That is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.